This video is going to show you how to create range names using labels that are to the left of the cell in which you want to name. For example, I want to name cell C12 selling price, I want to name C14 total commission, and I want to name C15 PHRE split. Now the words selling price, total commission, and PHRE split have a space in between each word, but if you use the let Excel create the range name, they'll put an underscore between the words. So I'm going to select B12 and C12, then I'm holding my control key down to select B14 and C14. I hold my control key down again to select B15 to C15. I come up to Formula, Create from Selection, make sure my left column is checked, and click OK. To check this, go to your Name Manager, and you can see that I have monthly total referred to in the price, total commission, selling price, and PHRE split are referred to in here.